Okay, so you are going to be doing this Make Art with Google Sheets assignment. You will go here and click go to the Applied Digital Skills, and it takes you here. And then you're going to sign in with Google. It should pop up that you have the STEM class if you joined the STEM class. If you did not join the STEM class, there is the code that you need. Anyone who is in here first semester, or first quarter, oh my goodness, third quarter, you've already joined this because this is the same place you did the Google Slides assignment. But there's a couple of you who are new, so you need to join the class by clicking plus and join. But once you do that, you have your current lesson, which says Making Art with Google Slides. And you will click start, and there are videos to watch. So you watch the video and do what it says to do. Now, as far as finishing the assignment, so you have your Google Sheets that should be named as your full name and go with pixel art. We're going to see who watches my video because this is different than what it says in the video. So you're going to name this Amanda Greer Pixel Art. Well, not Amanda Greer. Your first name, your last name, and then Pixel Art. And then you need to share it with me. So you need to make sure right here you send it to me. And then once you are done, so you've made all your pretty pictures, it looks gorgeous, you need to submit it. So to submit it, you're going to click copy link. And you are going to submit the URL. So we copied the link, and you will go right here where it says URL, and you need to make sure you click paste. So a little thing that some of you might accidentally do, I'll press that, is you click here, and you'll see something pop up, and you'll click on it. That's bad. Don't do that. You're going to actually paste your new link there, which either you do Control V as in Victor, or you right two-finger tap or right click, and then you click submit assignment. So that is what needs to be done, and then you can do this week's email check-in. I look forward to seeing the art that you create.